Many drivers have never driven a vehicle without power steering. Let's just say it took a lot of muscle. Most power steering systems on the road today use fluid pressurized by the power steering pump to assist when turning. Over time, the fluid gets contaminated by little bits that break off from the inside of the fluid line, seals, and O-rings. The pump has to work harder when the fluid is contaminated, causing it to wear prematurely. And contaminated fluid can damage the very expensive steering rack. A Wynn's Power Steering Fluid Exchange restores power steering performance by cleaning and removing impurities from the power steering system, revitalizing seals and O-rings, and preventing leaks which can damage power steering system components. The steering system is critical to the safe operation of your vehicle. Performing a power steering fluid exchange on the recommended schedule will protect your steering system and your safety. Ask your professional service consultant about a complete power steering fluid exchange to extend the life of your steering system.